How to log out of OANDA app. First of all, open your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. On the top right corner of the page, you will see your profile icon that shows your name and email address. Click on the profile icon and a small drop-down menu will appear with different account options. From the menu, select Sign Out and you will be securely logged out of your OANDA account. Logging out is important, especially if you are using a shared or public computer to keep your trading information safe. Always make sure you log out after finishing your session to avoid unauthorized access to your account. If you want to log back in later, simply return to the OANDA website and enter your login details again. Now you know how to log out of OANDA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.